Hello guys, I'm Fizan here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install an iOS style ROM in your S3 Neo. So let's get to it. Okay, so first you have to boot your phone into recovery mode. All files linked down in the description below. Download from there GApps and the ROM, and wait for it to boot in TWRP. You find the link for TWRP also, how to install TWRP in this. And as you can see, it's booting up with TWRP. So like we do always, first we have to wipe, and we directly do the advanced wipe, accept the micro SD card and swipe. And back again, back, and then install and locate the files. In my case, SD card and ROM. Where's that ROM folder? Oh, I've tried this first. Let's do it and swipe. Oh, I think there's a problem with the SD card. My SD card is corrupted, so now I've changed the SD card. And now let's do this again. Here it is, SD card and ROM. Oh, sorry. After installing ROM, we will try to run some games like PUBG or Subway Surfer. So now this ROM, and then add more zip, and then add GApps. Don't install the GApps 6.0. I've done this mistake and it didn't install GApps. Then I've downloaded 4.4 GApps, so make sure you download the 4.4 version and then install it as I show you, and wait for it. It will take some time, maybe 10 to 15 minutes. And now it's rebooted. So as you can see, it's booted in this ROM. It is a FIUI ROM. I don't know what it is, but it resembles the iOS. Hope so. So let me give you a look around of this ROM. So the camera is working, as you can see. Wait. So there it is. The camera is working. And now let's jump into settings. Oh, Bluetooth, turn off Bluetooth. Now jump into settings, and here you can see there's lots of options: mobile networks, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, NFC, personalization, launch wallpaper, home screen, lock screen, change. You can change wallpapers for different your lock screen or home. And accessibility, but you can change performance, add buttons, layouts. I don't know what this button do. There's no home button here. Back. Now developer options. You can see here is the root access, and debugging is on. Now on storage, 11 GB storage is still available. Now let me show you the Android version. As you can see, it's 4.4.4. So download GApps for 4.4.4. And I have installed the GApps. So let's fire up the Play Store and install Subway Surfer and PUBG. So let me search here PUBG, Subway Surfer. I should type. There it is. Now install Subway Surfers, accept.
So
as you can see it's installed. Oh, sorry. Let's open this and play Subway Surfers. Let's see if it can run that or not. After this we'll try to run PUBG Mobile. So it's running smooth till now. So battery optimization on this ROM is also good, so your battery will last longer. Quit this game. So as you can see, it can run some light games. Now let's try to run PUBG Mobile. So first let me quit this. Quit. Back. Okay, so now let's run PUBG. So it's working, as you can see. So let me play a game and show you. So I'm running PUBG Mobile on this phone on the lowest graphics and it works just fine. There is a little bit of lag in this game, but it's playable on this phone. So let's pick some weapons. Well, I'm not that good in this game because I've just started playing it. Just a little bit of frame rate drop and a little bit of a lag. can see the lag. This kind of lag we will face, but I told you it's playable. So let's turn this off. Let's quit the game. So as you can see, it can run PUBG. So that's it for this video. Hope you guys like it. If you like, click that red subscribe button, like this video, share it with your friends, and I'll see you in next video.